Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show how to create a dashboard using Excel file. So I have one Excel file and so I randomly pick this data. So this is the as per the survey from the latest survey. So I have data for average in India for each of the cities in India, like what is the average living expense for a single person, and what is living expense for a family of four in India. So for that, so the data where from where I picked all this data that had the it's not accurate to collect the data and to provide in the Power BI. I mean, I need average of this. So definitely these comma and these special symbol I do not need. So somehow I I filter it out using the Excel formula, and you can see the formula that I use here. And finally I found the average of the single expense. I mean, a person single living in Mumbai, they have they will in average they need to spend 65,000 to live survive in Mumbai city. In Delhi, on an average, a single person required 55,000, and so on, like 60,000 for Bangalore and 45,000 for Hyderabad, and so on. And accordingly, if a family of four living in those cities, they require these kind of expenses, and these data are from the internet. So, yep, pretty accurate. And what note I have also provided a note for, like in which areas that particular city is expensive, and in which area that particular city is affordable. So these are the data. So I need to pick this data in my Power BI. So let me open my Power BI. I have already installed my Power BI desktop. So you will easily able to Google it out, and you will able to download this. And once it open in your desktop, you just need to let let me open this. Then after I will show you what to do. Hmm, opening. Yep. So it's open. So let me create a blank report first. Hmm. Now I will collect the data from the Excel. So I will choose that folder that I created. So that is the Excel workbook. So I will go to that one, and then I will select that data that I created. Will select. So my file is in use, enter new name. So file is already open in my task manager, I mean in my taskbar. So I need to close this one first. mm, Let me, I do not want any changes, so let me just, okay. So yeah, it's loaded. So I need to select the seat first, and I need to delete all this data. I do not need all such. I just required four columns over here. I need to delete all the irrelevant thing. So we'll go to transform. Okay. Once it's loaded, I will show you how to do that. So I do not need all this data because that I was doing in my Excel for the calculation purpose. I only required such thing, those thing. So I need to delete this. So I will do one thing. I will go here, select this row, and will right click and just click on remove. So also I also do not require this thing, so need to just click on remove. Save goes to here. I just need to click remove, and I need this data. Then I do not need okay, I do not need these as this as well. So this also I do not need. So this data I need because this is the average of single person living in that Mumbai and so on. And I do not need raw data, so I just need to remove this. These are irrelevant and I will find difficulty while preparing my dashboard, so I'm just removing all this thing. I need to remove this as well. This also I just need to remove because I, for the calculation purpose and for the filter out the data I just use in my Excel, so I do not require it now. So just need to remove this. Now this as well I need to remove. So as accordingly now whatever I required is here, like Mumbai city, the single living expenses 65,000, the family living average, I mean family member of four, average expense is 15 uh, okay, 1,50,000, and what are the expenses and what are affordable in which city. So I have those data now. Now I need to just go ahead and click on close and apply. Once it applied, let's see what kind of data being provided to us. It's loading here, as you can see. Yeah, done. So as you can see in data section, now there is one sheet provided to us. I mean, let me click on the drop down. So we have city column, and with cities we data is provided, average family of four, data average single average expense data, and note that we had in our Excel file. So now I need to I need from all this data that I had in my Excel, I need graphical representation and of these data, so that how to use a Power BI. So let me select one pie chart first. I will select a pie chart. So it's right now it's empty. I need to select what are the thing I need to put here. So I will select city, then I will select average expense of family with four. Let's see what kind of data it's being provided here. So as you can see, it will show you the graphical representation, and I will select this as well. Okay, as you can see, the graphical representation, the pie chart is, I mean, it's here. Now let me try with the one map. So it will show you the map form of the data. I mean how it's look in map. So we'll select. Let me drag this. We'll select city. So these are the cities that we had so in our data. So all these are showing in pointers form. Now let me select average of all the things. It will show you like this. Now let me do one thing. Let me go ahead um, with a slicer. So in slicer I will choose cities. So whenever if let's suppose if I choose Bangalore, so it will show you the particular the data of Bangalore city. So slicer is used for that purpose only. It will filter out what exactly you want, what exact data you want. So this is how it work. Okay. Now we clear this selection. Now I will try to use this data in a table form. So I will select a table. Not here. Let me, yeah. So we'll select a table form. Now I will select what kind of data I want in my table. So I have selected the things. I mean, I need this first, then this, then note. Now, as you can see, it's showing here. Like it, likewise, you will able to explore all the things here. What exactly you want, how you want to represent your data, and accordingly you will able to mm, get the Power BI representation of your data here, and accordingly you will able to save this. You just need to click on save as. Need to browse this device. I will go here. I want to save this data in my desktop under my YouTube stuff. Then I will give my data one name. So let me average Power BI, to confuse me, Power BI. Okay, so done. It is saved in my desktop under this thing. Yeah, as you can see. So let me close this. Let's see what we have prepared. Opening. It will took a bit, just waiting for a while. A bit slow. Loading. Yep, here you go. And the data that we just created, it's now here. Now let me try to do this. We'll collapse this a bit. Now I will just add a text bar. Do one thing. I will add some text here. Um, average expense of single and family of four in in Indian cities it will be. So yep, let me just do here. I need Calibri. So we'll select Calibri here. Now I need different, maybe bold, and I need the color. Hmm. Here you go. All done. Okay. We'll try to drag this up. I will try to um, maximize the font size. Let me do it as no, still small. So 20, no. Let me do it for 30. Okay, yeah, done. So let me just, yeah, so we'll just click on save. So we have the data now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.